There you go. You can try it now. It's good. It's good.
It tastes like lettuce.
That's alright. That is good. I know. It's good.
What's up, guys? Is it recording?
Yes.
I want to record. Can I have it on my neck? I'm shitting myself. Oh no, I don't know.
No. Just hold it tight.
How?
Okay, make sure I'm in focus. You gotta make sure I'm in focus. Okay? It's good, isn't it?
I'm a vlogger.
Very sweet, actually.
I'm a vlogger now.
You're supposed to film for the actionary content, bro. That's what people do.
Hi guys. How's that drink, bro?
Mid.
Shoe camera.
Oh yeah, look at this. That's where the leather used to be.
How do we zoom in?
Like this. You don't.
Oh wait, no, keep going. Oh, look at that lingerie.
Okay, no. We're not here for that. Stop.
Get focused on it. Oh, vlogging.
Just keep recording.
Vlogging. Look at that cock.
Yeah.
That's a manly cock.
Pokemon cards. Let's see if we get a Charizard. Oh my goodness, I get a Pikachu! Oh, it's a Pikachu!
Pikachu!
That's worth like $5 billion.
Well, you can put in the title. We got a $5 million Pokemon card.
Wowzers in my trousers. Look at this.
Pikachu.
That's what he says.
Pika.
Don't do it. I don't support dangerous activity. Okay, I'm still gonna film it. That's a cartwheel. And that's a sad cart. Oh, wait. Show me your camera. Show me your front screen.
Shows your move.
Yes. That's to get hip.